Good morning, and welcome to the October 22nd, 2019 voting session of the Travis County Commissioners Court. Thank you for being here on perhaps our first truly crisp morning of the fall. We'll get started with public communication. At the discretion of the Commissioners Court, we hear input from county residents on county matters that are not on this Commissioners Court agenda. As a matter of practice, not obligation, the court allows up to 3 minutes for information valuable to county issues. And Dr. Kim, you are signed up for public communication.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Honorable Commissioner Precinct 3, Commissioner Gerald Dory, I appreciate you. I put 2 cents there. I was singing Donald Trump re-election 2020 in front of Austin, UT Austin campus at 23rd Western District Place. Whole family passing by me. Little child, probably 2-year-old child, gave me 2 cents. But Dude Nelson, 1728 West Anderson property owner, he tried to kill me several times. Driving bicycle, driving car, in front of lots of people. No one cared. I screamed over there. I screamed in front of lots of government officers. No one cared up until today. Yesterday, I was singing Donald Trump, cover number 3. He also touched my hair, hand, all those things here, still today. Donald Trump, he's the best person ever. Some people told me he lacked child. That's not true. You must not come to border if you want to come to the United States. You must got passport first, and you must deposit cash. 1981, I deposited $10,000 to get the American visa. Now, New York Times $3, at that time 25 cents, 72 times increased. So today, if anyone come to the United States, they have to deposit $10,000 times 27, no 72. That's the money. Just no money at all. Come to the border saying that I needed this, I needed that, I needed that. They are all terrorists. No. American government is the government for the American people, not all over the world. No. If you want to come, you have to get a visa. Before you get a visa, you have to deposit $7,200,000. And also, Texas government completely broken all the system. This one here. They wrongfully declared me as a vexatious litigant. No answer, no proof at all. Donald Trump tried to fix everything right now in Texas and all of other countries.
Thank you, Dr. Kim. Next, we will go to our county announcements media. We have a number of county announcements this morning. I believe we've got 4 or 5. So we will get started this morning with Kim Austin Smith, Zephyr Stone, Tanya Burgess from HRMD. Y'all come on up. Good morning, y'all.
Good morning. HRMD is pleased to announce the second annual Professional Development Day on tomorrow.